Let's learn how do we measure directions in a crystal lattice. Okay, we do that with the help of a concept known as crystallographic direction indices. Okay, so let me just tell you what is the definition of crystallographic direction indices. Crystallographic direction indices basically are the vector components of the direction resolved along each of the crystallographic axes. Okay, so these are my crystallographic axes and reduced to smallest integer. Okay, just understand what this means. Let's just say that I have a lattice point over here. Okay, this is a cubic cell whose dimensions are unity. Okay, so I'll just write it down for you. This is a cubic cell where A is equal to unity, which is 1. Okay, so there is a lattice point over here. I want to specify the direction of this lattice point with respect to the origin over here. Okay, since I have chosen my crystallographic axis like this, my origin is over here. I can choose my crystallographic axes anywhere, and corresponding to those crystallographic axes I am going to get a different origin. At this particular moment I am assuming this is my origin and I want to specify the direction at which this lattice point is located. So what we are going to do is first find out the vector representation of this direction. Okay, what is this direction? We are looking at this direction. Okay, so how are you going to get the vector representation of this direction? What is the coordinates for this lattice point? You go 1 units in y direction. Okay, this is a cubic cell of dimension 1. So you go 1 units in y direction, then you go 1 unit in x direction and 0 units in z direction. Okay, therefore the coordinates for this guy would be your y is 1, your x is 1 and z is 0. So it's gonna be 1, 1, 0. Okay, your origin is always 0, 0, 0. So the direction for this guy is 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Right? So if you were to represent it in a vector, it's gonna be 1 minus 0 I plus 1 minus 0 j plus 0 minus 0 k. Okay, where I, j and k are unit vectors along x, y and z. Right? So as per the definition of crystallographic direction indices, these are the vector components of direction resolved along each of the axes and reduced to smallest integer. Okay, so this is my vector, which is basically 1i plus 1j plus 0k. Now these are to be resolved along each of the axes and reduced to smallest integers. Okay, so along x-axis you have 1 units, along y-axis you have 1 units, along z you have 0 units. Okay, so you have resolved this vector which represents this direction along x, y and z axes. You now also have to reduce it to the smallest set of integers. Now 1, 1, 0 is anyways the smallest set of integers. You cannot reduce them further. Therefore crystallographic direction indices is going to be 1, 1, 0 represented in or written in square brackets for this direction. Okay, just realize your crystallographic direction indices represent a direction, they do not represent a location of a lattice point. Okay, so it only tells at what direction with respect to the origin is a lattice point.